Hey guys, good morning. So here's our project today. Erica's work with me, my brother. I'm up on the roof, gonna clean up all this moss. He goes on over there, and then Eric, my brother, is in front. He's painting the front. I'm gonna try to get this done first, and then we're gonna paint in here. So this is our little project. We've been here a lot recently. All right guys, hope you're doing well. Today's a beautiful day. Nice view from the roof. Perfect day for outdoor work. All right guys, catch you later.
Good job. Oops, try again. Oh. Try one more time. Hmm? Let me help you. Nice one. Yay! Wait. Good job. Good job. Good job. Everly is eating zucchini. With sweet potato. Yummy. Yummy kayo. Slowly. Chew it. Everly, are you sleeping while studying? What's the sound of a pig? Oink oink. Oh, look at that frog. That's the similar what we saw last time when we went camping. Yeah. Are you patting? Are you patting the animals? Where is the star? Here is the star. Where is the diamond? Here's the diamond. Good job. Where's the square? Here is the square. Where is the circle? That's the circle. Yep, that one is a circle. Where is the rectangle? You're sitting on a rectangle. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Hooray! 1, 2, 3. Oh, the learner is tired. 1, 2. No study. Just play for now. No more study. Too much information. Alright, just play. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Right, Everly, can you show me the star? Where is the star? Here is the star. Can you see the star? Here is the star. Where is the triangle? Can you show me the triangle? Here is the triangle. Where is the square? Oh no. Where is the square? High five, Daddy, high five. Woo. High five.
High five. Woo.
Let's wave Daddy one more time. Ready your hand. High five, Daddy, high five.
High five. High five.
Woo. High five. One more time.
High five.
High five, high five.
High five.
Woo. High five. High five, everyone. High five, Daddy.
Yeah. What do you think?
Hi, Lady Rider.
Vroom, vroom. Woohoo. Woohoo. There we go. If anybody is around the area, we just cleaned out of the garage, and this truck is for sale, right behind.
Oh.
So if anybody knows that company, it's a pretty good bike company. If anybody's around Michigan, Southwest, let us know.
Yep.
Make an offer, we'll sell it to you.
Yep. Ready for the camping summer.
Yeah. Everly gonna go for a ride. Woo-hoo. Bye-bye.
Everly's the model.
Wave goodbye. Bye-bye. We'll be back tomorrow.